So, in the last lesson, we covered shoulder rest, and in this lesson, we will talk about bow. So, as you can see, bow has different parts. Sometimes, when you look at the bow, it doesn't seem like it's very important and so complicated. You will see many different interesting things. So, two of the longest parts of bow is hair and wood. So usually you can see white hair, it's a horse hair, and sometimes you can find black hair. So now I want to tell you about bow's wood. Sometimes this wood is from Pernambuco or Brazil wood. So the color of the wood is usually brown, but sometimes you can find black bows, and possibly these bows were made from carbon fiber. So what's the difference between wooden and carbon fibers bows? Usually carbon fibers bows are easier, but if you will take this bow, it's a little bit heavier than carbon fiber bow. So let's look at another part. So here we have a tip of bow. Then the most interesting part, I think, here. So this part called a pad of grip. When you take a bow, you usually put here your finger. This is winding. Then we have here very interesting part. This part called a frog. This part can move. I will show you a bit later how. So we have here slide, which helps to hold this hair, and also small eyes. So eyes we have from this side and also on the opposite side. So now the most interesting thing. We have here a small screw. If we will turn this screw, I can take out this screw from a bow. When I take it out, look, I can separate frog from the wood. We have here some gap. Yeah. And then if you want to put it back, you need to put your frog in this hole, and we will put back this screw now. We will turn. And look, the tension of the hair between hair and wood will change. So let's do it back. So it was, look, where the tension between hair and wood is very low now. And now we will make it even higher. Can you see it? If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.